Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix you have lost connection to online discovery services in No Man's Sky game. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check No Man's Sky server status. So go to this following link. You can go to the No Man's Sky Twitter website, down detector link or subreddit link. And if you find that their server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, then in that case you can't do anything. You don't have to follow any of the fixes, and when their server status gets back online, then you can check. Now if their server status is online and still you are getting this error, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart the game or restart the gaming device. So simply exit the No Man's Sky game, make sure it is completely closed, and then relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart the gaming device, whether you are playing the game on PC or Xbox or PlayStation console. Then simply shut down your device and wait for 20 to 30 seconds, then restart your gaming device and then launch No Man's Sky game and check the error is fixed or not. So I hope by following this fix your error will be gone. If not, then follow the next fixes. Next fix is to restart Wi-Fi router or switch internet connection. So unplug Wi-Fi router cable from your PC or console, and then also unplug the Wi-Fi cable from your Wi-Fi router and also from the wall socket. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds, then plug in all the cables to your Wi-Fi router and back to your PC, and then connect to your Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then switch internet connection, switch to different Wi-Fi network and check, or you can also switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then follow the third solution. Now third solution is to reset your internet connection. So on PC, in the Windows search type CMD and open command prompt, run as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now here you have to enter this code. Enter this code one by one. I have provided the code in the video description, so you can copy paste code from the video description. These codes are just to reset your internet connection, that's all. It is safe to use. Now you have to restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this command prompt, then click on Windows icon and then click on power menu and then restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can launch the No Man's Sky game and check if the lost connection to online discovery service error is fixed or not. Now if you are on Xbox, then go to your Xbox settings. In the general tab, select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now enter 8888 for primary DNS and enter 8844 for secondary DNS. You can also use 111 for primary DNS and 1001 for secondary DNS, and then you can launch the game and check which one works for you. Now if you are playing the game on PS5, then go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change DNS setting from automatic to manual, and in the primary DNS type 8888 and in secondary DNS type 8844, then click on OK, and then you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time enter 1111 in primary DNS and in secondary DNS enter 1001 and then click on OK. Then launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. And to change the DNS server on PC, in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and tasks. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi network. Then click on properties. Then select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Now here select use the following DNS server address. Now here type in preferred DNS server 8888 and in alternate DNS server type 8844, then hit OK and then close this tab, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you will be able to fix you have lost connection to online discovery services error in No Man's Sky game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.